Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will show you how to fix attachments are not supported in this conversation message on your Google Message application on any Android or Samsung device. So if you have used the Google Message application, when you send a picture or any message like you select the photo on your device, you can see attachments are not supported in this conversation message on your device. So if you want to facing this type of issue and you want to follow this tutorial step by step solution on your device to fix this issue. First of all, make sure your Google Message app is updated with the latest version. So open the app drawer on your Android or Samsung device. Long press the Google Message application. Tap on the I button. Now tap on app details. And here, if available, update it on your Android device. After that, check again on the Google Message application if fix the issue or not. Second solution, clear the app cache on your Google Message application. So long press the Google Message on your device. Tap on the I button. Tap on the storage and cache. Here you can see the clear cache option. So tap on a clear cache. Now you can see cache. Now tap on a clear storage. These apps data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from the device. It will not delete your messages. It will only delete the default settings. So tap on a delete message on your device. Now go to the home screen, open the message application on your device, log in with your account. Now again tap on start chat, select the contact. Now tap on a plus icon, tap on a camera, select the photo like this. Now here you can see select the photo on my device. Tap on a send button on your device. Now here you can see mobile data is turned off. Check your setting. So make sure to go on the mobile data on your device. So to go up the Wi-Fi button, tap on a done. Now here you can see send the message. Now tap on a plus icon, select the camera, select the message, tap on a send button. Now you can see send the message to the person on your device. So quite easy to fix the message or fix the conversation not send on your Android or Samsung device. That's it. If you still can't solve this issue after this, you can also make sure enable the RCS chat by tap on the profile icon in the Google Message, tap on a message setting, tap on RCS chats. Here make sure select the connected option on your device to send the to fix this issue on your Google Message application. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.